Hi everyone, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and yes, we are looking at a log cabin today. This is one at the St. Peter History Site, the Nicollet County Historical Society Museum, and it's in kind of bad shape. The acrylic chinking is coming loose here and there. We've got a bad log here with the upper facing crack, or check as we call it. Over here we got some stain that's coming off. This was supposed to have been clear coated so that all the chinking would remain the original color, and they didn't consult with me on that, so it's stained. But anyway, the big issue is that we've got chinking failure here. This one is adhesion failure, and this looks like we media blasted it first, because it's all filled up with sand in there, which just holds water and makes matters worse. But anyway, some of this stuff's got to get pulled out and replaced. That's the worst spot on this side. There is a fairly decent overhang compared to most of them, but anyhow, here we got widespread chink failure, and well, the ones that are on the bottom, like this is better than having the top side come open, because when the top breaks open like that, it becomes a gutter, a rain gutter, and over here, unless we get a low gravity day and the water starts running uphill, we're okay. But wow, there's 75-80% failure on this side, and it all looks like it's towards the bottom side of the chinking joint. We got some rotten stuff here, so we'll have to do a Dutchman on that one. And over on this side towards the highway, some chinking failure, but not as bad as the backside. A lot of chink failure. Over here we got chinking failure that's led to log decay. So that log's gonna need repair, and the one below it probably does too, because it's got a lot of upward facing cracks that never got caulking in them. So I'm gonna reach out to the people here. Ooh, up there we got some woodpeckers, birds making a home for themselves. I guess they need a home too. So that's too bad. Get these old buildings in here and they don't end up with a budget to take care of them. So this is what happens. Well, anyway, I'll get a hold of them and see if we can work out something. They never have enough money to take care of these in the first place, so maybe we can do a workshop or something to help them out. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next time. Next log cabin.